The clinical fellowship program was driven through breast cancer trials in order to give new and early career clinical researchers time to engage in academic activities, to develop skills that will lead to the development of new and novel clinical trials in the future, because they are the people who will drive the new generation of trials. When I was training, I also took some time to do research, and it is really very important for people to do that if you're going to understand the bridge between clinical practice and academic activities. The training that they get is important in growing that capacity within our country. For people who have real experience in how to think about clinical trials, design clinical trials, collect the samples that we need for further translational research in the future, and bring all of this together so that the next generation of people engaged with breast cancer trials are really changing the way trials are done, but also the new models of care will improve outcomes. There's been huge enthusiasm from the people who've been awarded the fellowships. The other exciting thing is that the fellowships have been taken up by a whole range of our clinical researchers, oncologists, surgeons, pathologists, radiologists, psychologists, or even supportive care people. And that's what we need. If a clinical trial is to be successful, it requires an input from the multidisciplinary groups of people that we have in this country. The donations from our supporters is really fundamental to making breast cancer trials successful. The use of that support in putting funding into our next generation of young researchers is absolutely critical, because we need that next generation of people engaged in our organization and believe in it, so that when they come through with their new knowledge and training and experience, they will make the lives of patients even better. And that is the mission of breast cancer trials, to improve the outcomes of men and women with breast cancer.